Today we got December's beauty boxes. I will have the prices for you on the screen as well as the prices of the items on the screen. Now, one box I have does not have full sizes completely. It has a mix of full and small sizes. I will let you know the prices. I will not have the sample size price on there, but I will let you know which products it is so you can kind of compare. That is it. So let's go ahead and get started. First box we got is Allure. Now, I've kind of had 4 boxes before. Right now I just got 3. After the holidays I might get a 4th one again, but for now I have 3. And this first one is Allure. Okay, so the first thing we got in this box is Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Hydrating Day Cream. So it's kind of like a moisturizer. That's what it looks like right here. Not really picking up for you. This retails for $93. This is full size, so you've got like more than your money's worth with this box already. I've used Elemis products before. They're really good, so I don't have anything negative to say about that. Okay, so the next thing we got is Pixie Rose Radiance Protector. That is this right here. This retails for $18. For full size is 25 milliliter, and I think this is full size. I'm not really sure what this is for. So I think this is like a highlighter. This is what it sounds like, because it says rose infused complexion enhancer, blurs and brightens to give skin a fresh finish, smooth onto tops of cheekbones, brow bones, Cupid's bow. So to me it just kind of sounds like a highlighter, illuminator kind of thing, which I think is interesting and I'll probably try. Alright, the next thing we got is Maria Nile Head and Hair Heal Booster Mask, and this retails for $9.90, and this is full size. I'm not really sure how I feel about this. Let's see, it's not. It says you use this after rinsing your shampoo and spread a generous dollop all over your hair and let it sit for 3 minutes. So this is really, it's really just a hair mask is what it sounds like. I don't understand the heal booster part. I don't know. If you've used this before and you know what that means, can you tell me? Okay, so the next thing we got is Belly Razor Starter Kit in Cool Blue. That is this right here. This retails for $10, so this is pretty much just a razor. I've gotten razors in boxes before. Usually they're a little bit nicer than I would get on my own, so I'm not really against it. Okay, so when you pull it out of the box, it's still in the box, but it looks like this. This is a pretty big sized razor, and it looks like it's made so you can stick this on the wall of your shower or tub or whatever, and it just sits there, so it holds it. It's not falling all over the place. Maybe I think this is an extra razor, so you can extra razor with it, which is nice. And this is more of the sticky stuff in case the sticky stuff on here falls off. So I do think that's a really, really nice razor. Okay, next is Blue Clay Mask. This is just a small little sample. The full size is 80 grams. This is, I think, just 10. No, this is 15. And the full size price is $39. I'm undecided if I'm going to try. I might, just because, but like it's got seaweed in it, and seaweed usually doesn't do great on my skin, so I'm undecided. I might and might not use that. Okay, so this next thing we got is Heritage Store Rosewater and Glycerin Hydrating Facial Mist. I have used this stuff before and it is awesome. This here retails for $8.49, and it's definitely a keeper. It's something that not everyone knows but should know. Rose water also works great as a finishing spray on your face after you finish your makeup. So if you run out of your setting spray, try rose water. Okay, the last thing in this box is a hand mask from Aqua 4, and it looks like this. This retails for $5.99, and it's just like it's a single use. You put it on your hands like gloves, and you leave it on for like 10 minutes and makes your hands really soft. So if you're doing like a home spa pedicure day, this is one of those things you use. All right, and the next box is Eyescream Beauty. They really focus a lot on independent brands, which I like, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. All right, so the first thing we got in here is 2 lip liners. They are by Bella Cosmetics. I think it's $6 together, I'm not sure, but I don't really use lip liners, and I have a bunch already, so I'm gonna stick this into my box for giveaways. Okay, so the next thing I got here is Mini Lip Set by Ofra. Now this isn't something I would typically use, but I think I would use this for traveling or staying the night at a friend's house or whatever. So I think I'm gonna keep it for that. I'm not gonna open it yet because of that. It looks like they're liquid lipsticks, but I think that's really cute and handy for on the go. Okay, so this is ZC. I'm not sure what this is. It says the British Museum. So I guess it's Angel Highlighter, and this retails for $26. I am going to open it. For whatever reason, I really like this brand. Like the first I've really heard of it was through this box. I'm sure they've been around a while, but I just didn't know of them. But like, they have a lot of duochrome products, which is a lot of fun to me, so I do like the brand. Let's go ahead and see the, oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. I'm not even looking at the highlighter, I'm just impressed with the packaging. But let's see what the highlight, oh, this is pretty. You see the little angel on there, like a little cupid. That is so cute. Anyways, I'm gonna swatch this so we can see how shimmery this is. Ooh, I like this. If you like highlighters, you'll probably like this. Okay, so you can kind of see the shimmer on my hand. It's very faint, but I really like it because it's like, it's not really a glitter, it's much more fine than that. It's really pretty. Okay, so the next thing we got is also by ZC. This is Cream White Liquid Liner. I don't think I've ever used a white liquid liner, but I am curious. It says this retails for $24. I guess the highlighter was $26 and this is $24, but let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the container itself. Nothing really fancy, but let's see. Okay, so it really is white. You can see the felt tip right there and the line that I swatched. So it is super white. I'm not really sure what kind of look I'm going to create with that, but I'm going to experiment. I'm going to see what I can do. Alright, so the last thing in this box is a palette from Allure Beauty called Hearth, and this retails for $40. Now they usually have a lot of singles and stuff from that brand that with duochromes and stuff, so I have high expectations for this. So let's see what kind of colors are in this palette. Okay, so these are the colors. I don't really think that is adding to my collection too much. I mean, there's a couple of colors in here that are unique, but most of this is not really unique to my collection. So I am not swatching this. This is going in my giveaway bin. Alright, to the last box. That is my Ipsy box, which they now call this one, instead of it used to be the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but it is now the Boxy Charm because they merged. Alright, so they don't give me a little pamphlet in this one. The other two they do. I actually have to put in a little extra work to look it up, but I will. First thing we got here are some makeup brushes. I'm always good for that. I have a lot, I ain't gonna lie, I have more than what I really need, but I like having extra because then I don't have to wash my brushes as often. I can just use some clean ones and then let them pile up and then spend like a day. Well, it doesn't really take a day, but I spend like an hour or two cleaning all the brushes, let it dry, and not have to worry about it again. Okay, so these are the brushes up close. I like that reflective green color. These are super soft and super silky. I really like the way they feel. So, yep, definitely going to be using those. And the next thing we got is hyaluronic acid infused setting spray. Final treatment from TYS Beauty. I don't really know the brand, but I need more setting spray. I have some that I haven't opened up yet, but I like having multiple ones handy. This is what the bottle looks like. I'm not opening it up yet. I'm not using it yet because I'm not ready to. I try not to open my products before I'm ready to use it so they don't go bad quickly and they don't grow any weird funguses or anything. So if you have extra product, don't open it until you're ready to use so it doesn't go bad quickly. Alright, the next thing we got is, I think it's pronounced Byrod. I'm not sure. But this is Pro Berry Pore Refining Toner. I love a good pore refiner because, like, the older you get, the bigger your pores get. So it's nice to have products that help shrink them and keep them from looking all big and gross and nasty. And this is what the bottle looks like. I think that is pretty and cute. Next thing we got is Femu, I think that's how you pronounce it. Femu Camellia Exceller Oil Antioxidant. I love a good face oil, so no complaints there. Let's see what our bottle looks like. Ooh, this bottle looks fancy. Look at that bottle. It's black, it's glass. I'm not ready to use it, otherwise I would open it, but like, I am kind of excited about this. Alright, the last thing we got here is Allure Beauty. I'm looking for a name of the palette. I don't see the name. Palette is Midnight Snack. There we go. Not necessarily picking up all the writing, but there it is. Let's see what these colors are. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I kind of like this packaging. I'm keeping this. The color story is just beautiful. Look at that. It's not unique to my collection. I'm literally keeping this palette because I like the design and I like the color story and it speaks to me. Yes, the colors speak to me. But yeah, let me swatch it. Let's see what it looks like on. Alright, these are the colors. You can't really see it because this one matches my skin tone, but there's a color right here. There's 6 all together. They swatched really beautifully, and look how beautiful they look on my skin. Like, I am already super pumped about using this. Like, there's good neutral colors. You got some bold colors there. You can use all of them or just some of them, but like, the combination there is just really, really beautiful. Alright, so that is it of my beauty boxes. Let me know your thoughts of them down below. I'm always interested in knowing what other people think of them. But that is it of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like. If you want more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.